Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Bartesian cocktail is probably one of the most exciting innovations in home mixology, offering a sophisticated yet incredibly convenient way to craft delicious cocktails right in your own kitchen, eliminating the need for extensive bar knowledge or a cabinet full of obscure ingredients, and allowing you to impress your guests with minimal effort. Number 5. JoyJolt Afina Stemless Martini Glasses Set of 4. Introducing a set of cocktail glasses with a modern, cinched design. They are perfect for any occasion, from casual nights into lively parties. These glasses are crafted for durability and stability, making them ideal for mixing your favorite drinks. Their robust design ensures they can handle any cocktail creation. Enjoy your favorite cocktails without the hassle of hand washing. These glasses are completely dishwasher safe, letting you relax and enjoy. With an 8.5-ounce capacity and elegant shape, these glasses are perfect for martinis, cocktails, and layered liqueurs. They are ideal for exploring your creativity in drink making. This set comes securely packaged in a gift-ready box, making it a wonderful present. Surprise the cocktail enthusiast in your life with this elegant glassware. Featuring a stemless design and a heavy base, these glasses offer excellent stability. You can enjoy your drinks with confidence from the first sip to the last. What we like. These glasses offer a modern twist on a classic design with a stable, stemless base. They are also dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. If you enjoy hosting and want elegant yet practical glassware for a variety of cocktails, these are a great choice. What people say. The Bartesian is a fantastic machine that makes great cocktails. It is very easy to use, just pop in a pod and press a button. The machine looks great on the counter and is a real conversation starter. Number 4. Bartesian Premium Cocktail Machine 55300. Introducing the Bartesian, the revolutionary way to create delicious craft cocktails right in your home. Simply insert a capsule, choose your strength, and press mix for a perfect drink in seconds. Enjoy a wide variety of expertly crafted drinks, from classic margaritas to sophisticated old fashions. Our capsules are designed by master mixologists, ensuring a premium taste every time. Forget stocking a full bar with countless ingredients. This machine gives you the benefits of a complete bar, so you only need to provide your favorite spirits. Keeping your machine in top condition is a breeze with its automatic and manual cleaning cycles. Dishwasher-safe parts ensure every cocktail tastes fresh and delicious. Our recyclable capsules are packed with real juice concentrates, bitters, and extracts, all dated for peak freshness. Experience the convenience of a professional bartender at your fingertips. Creating your favorite cocktails has never been easier. Just a simple push of a button delivers a perfectly mixed drink, every single time. What we like. This machine offers the ultimate convenience in crafting cocktails at home with just a push of a button. It features mixologist-approved recipes and an easy-to-clean design. If you're looking for a way to enjoy a wide variety of craft cocktails without the hassle of measuring or stocking multiple ingredients, this is the perfect solution for your home bar. What people say. The Bartesian is a fantastic addition to our home bar. It's incredibly easy to use, just pop in a capsule, add your preferred spirit, and press a button. The cocktails come out perfectly mixed every time, and the variety of drink options is impressive. I love the sleek design of the Bartesian. It looks great on my counter and doesn't take up too much space. The functionality is top-notch, it's like having a professional bartender at home. The quality of the drinks is consistently good, and it's a real conversation starter when guests are over. Number 3. Bartesian Classic Collection Cocktail Mixer Capsules Variety Pack. Explore a world of delicious drinks with this variety pack. It includes fan favorites like Cosmopolitan, Old Fashioned, Whiskey Sour, Margarita, Long Island Iced Tea, and Uptown Rocks. These cocktail capsules were created by world-class mixologists. They work to develop precisely measured pods that deliver the perfect balance of flavor and complexity. Our recyclable capsules contain real juice concentrates, bitters, and extracts, all dated for freshness. Enjoy bar-quality cocktails at home with the freshest ingredients. Forget the hassle of measuring and mixing. Simply insert a capsule, choose your strength, and press mix. The machine does the rest. You'll never run out of choices with our extensive selection. We offer exclusive, seasonal, and trending cocktail options to suit every taste. What we like. These capsules allow you to explore a world of fresh flavors, crafted by master mixologists. They are freshness dated for quality. If you already own the Bartesian machine and want to easily try a range of classic and exciting cocktail options without buying individual ingredients, this variety pack is ideal. What people say. Makes great tasting cocktails with minimal effort. The variety of drink options is impressive, and it's easy to use. Sleek design that looks good on the counter. Number 2. Nifty Cocktail Capsule Drawer for Bartesian. Keep your favorite cocktail capsules organized and at your fingertips with this elegant drawer. It takes up minimal counter space, allowing for convenient storage. This silver organizer complements your machine and enhances any countertop. Easily replenish your favorite flavors to maintain a neat and clean space. Featuring a patented roller system, the drawer glides smoothly with a simple lever press. Enjoy a drink at a moment's notice with everything conveniently in one place. This convenient holder measures 13.5 W x 14.75 D x 4H and stores up to 36 capsule pods. Get ready to craft your perfect drink. Designed with quality and practicality in mind, this accessory is built to last. It's hard to break, easy to clean, and a stylish addition to your home bar. What we like. This organizer provides a neat and accessible way to store up to 36 cocktail capsules. It features a smooth glide drawer and a sleek design to match your machine. If you own a Bartesian and want to keep your capsule collection tidy and readily available on your countertop, this drawer is a must-have accessory. What people say. The Bartesian is a fantastic machine that makes great cocktails. It is very easy to use and clean. The variety of cocktails you can make is impressive. Number 1. WillsCoo Alcohol Infusion Kit. Unleash your inner mixologist and craft unique spirits at home. Our kit lets you infuse any alcohol base with natural ingredients to create your signature flavors. Explore a world of taste with 12 carefully selected natural infusion materials. Mix and match to discover endless flavor combinations tailored to your preferences. Wow your friends and family with expertly crafted infused spirits and cocktails. Elevate your home entertaining with drinks that are truly one of a kind. Venture beyond the ordinary and create flavor profiles you won't find anywhere else. Experiment with unique combinations to delight your palate. Looking for a thoughtful and unique gift? This kit comes in a beautiful package, making it an ideal present for birthdays, anniversaries, or any celebration. Enjoy the process with our user-friendly design. Plus, the stainless steel filter, funnel, and glass bottles are dishwasher-safe for effortless cleanup. What we like. This kit empowers you to create your own unique flavored spirits using natural ingredients. It includes 12 different infusion materials for endless flavor combinations. If you enjoy experimenting with spirits and want to craft personalized, distinctive base liquors that you can't find in stores, this infusion kit is perfect for you. What people say. The Bartesian is a fantastic machine that makes great cocktails. It is very easy to use and makes a variety of drinks. The machine is well designed and looks great on the counter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.